People are out and on the move again, as is the migrating bird population, making autumn a prime time for bird watching at Mill Pond Reservoir and nearby Horn Pond in Woburn.
In the fall, birds start heading south towards their wintering grounds, so we get a lot more species in September than you would in the summertime. We have a lot of nice birds that breed in Massachusetts, but there's also a lot of birds that breed further north, and they pass through here in the spring and the fall. In the spring, it's probably a little more exciting because they're more colorful. In the fall, they've changed their plumage, and there are quite a few species are much duller and harder to identify in the fall. And in the spring, they're singing all the time. In the fall, they tend to migrate quietly. So birding in the fall is challenging, but it's also rewarding because you see a lot of birds that you don't see in the summertime or in the wintertime.
Drastically reduced water levels at Mill and Horn Pond are no deterrent for migrating flocks.
I mean, the ducks and geese and shorebirds that migrate, they're going to come to the reservoir. You know, if it happens to be on their way and they're migrating and they're looking for a place to stop, this is as inviting as if the water was higher. When the water gets low, fish and frogs and whatnot tend to get concentrated in pools, and it makes it easier for predators to hunt them because they're more concentrated in smaller areas. But then eventually, if you have enough fish kill, it affects the population of the river, and it could take years for it to bounce back. So that's the effect of drought. And also water withdrawals. A lot of towns get their water from rivers or from wells near rivers, and it causes them to dry up.
Autumn birding is a great way to get back out there, and an even better way to keep an eye on nature.